Hello folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making loaded corn casserole. It's got all kind of corn in it and I love corn. I love corn anyway. On the cob, cream corn, fried corn, whatever. And this is a casserole. It's real easy and it's got Jiffy mix in it and that's a plus. I love Jiffy mix. I love regular cornbread, but every now and then, certain things I like to have Jiffy mix in it. So I've preheated my oven to 350, and I'm going to spray my casserole dish. It's a 13 by 9, and I've cooked some bacon, about 6 slices, and I've cut them up. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of butter, and then we'll put 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in the mix, and we'll put the mixes together, and we'll pour 1 box of Jiffy mix. Mix that. And I've got 1 can of corn that I've drained all the liquid off of. I'm going to dump that in there. And I've got 1 can of cream corn. I'm going to dump that in there. Three scallions, green onions that I've sliced thin, and I saved about just a little bit of scallions to put on the top, but these are 3 of them that I've washed them and diced them. 1 egg beaten. 1 cup of sour cream. We'll mix that up. I have 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese, shredded. And we'll put 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and I'm using Mermaid's Revenge. Smells good. It's 1 teaspoon. Ooh, got a kick to it. We'll stir this up. Get it all mixed together. This would be a great side for any meat, whatever you wanted to. And then this is the 6 pieces of bacon that I've chopped and browned. We'll pour that on top. We're going to mix it all together. Let's get this boy over here. Ooh. I'm gonna flatten it out, spread it out. Oh, it looks so good. Bacon, cheese, corn. We're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for about 40-45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. We're back. I just took the casserole out of the oven. It's been sitting cooling off about 5 minutes. The smell will drive you crazy. I've been smelling that thing for 45 minutes. So let's give her a whirl here. Let's make it pretty. It looks and smells good. Let's take a taste. That is good. Lordy, it's good. Make you want to slap your mama, but don't do that. This would be great with any, it'll be a great side for anything. Chicken, pork, beef. It's got a little crunch from the whole kernel corn. You can taste that cheese. Ooh, it's good. So I hope you try this. This is delicious. Just good. Good, good, good. You can taste that Cajun seasoning. It's not hot, but it's got a good taste to it. You can taste that bacon, that cheese. Oh, it's wonderful. With all these holidays coming up and family functions, this is 100% winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I wonder where that come from. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. I would take it anywhere. Family function, church. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.